Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can use Gemini 3.5 Flash for AI tasks. So let's get started. First, open Gemini and sign in with your Google account. Once you're logged in, you'll see a chat box where you can enter prompts and interact with the AI. To use Gemini 3.5 Flash for AI tasks, simply describe what you need. For example, you can ask it to write articles, generate emails, create social media posts, summarize documents, explain complex topics, solve coding problems, or brainstorm new ideas. The more specific your prompt is, the better the results will be. You can also use Gemini to help with research by asking questions and requesting detailed explanations. If you need coding assistance, Gemini can generate code, explain programming concepts, and help debug errors. For content creators, it can create video scripts, thumbnail ideas, titles, descriptions, and hashtags within seconds. If your version of Gemini supports file uploads, you can upload documents or images and ask Gemini to analyze them. This makes it useful for studying, business tasks, and productivity workflows. Keep refining your prompts and asking follow-up questions to get more accurate and detailed responses. With the right instructions, Gemini 3.5 Flash can help you complete a wide range of AI-powered tasks quickly and efficiently. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.